Hello. Yes, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. I'm back. Kiko Javier po from Street Wisdom, and we will be talking about the types of people in this world, no? Isa po doon sa 3 types of people. Sa tatlong klase po kasi yung tao dito sa mundo eh. Alright, number 1, those who makes things happen. Ito po yung mga action takers. Ito po yung ito yung mga bahala na gang. Risk takers. Ito yung bahala na kahit ano mangyari, gagawin ko to. May sumama man o hindi. So these are the risk takers. Ito yung number 1. And alam niyo po ba, most likely, no? Kadalasan sa hindi, mas madalas po. Ito po yung mga nagiging very successful. Excuse me. Okay, take note of the word, very successful. Hindi lang po ito yung mga taong successful. Na parang medyo okay naman siya. Alright, ito po yung mga very successful people. Ito yung group number 1, those who makes things happen. Number 2, ito naman po yung mga those who wait for things to happen. Alright, so ito naman yung sige, wait and see ako, titingnan ko muna, pakita mo muna sa akin yung resulta mo. Then, pag maganda yung resulta, di siguro magjo-join ako. So, tingnan ko muna. Alright, bigyan mo muna ako ng mga papers, bigyan mo ako ng documents, bigyan mo ako ng mga proof. Then, once na maaral ko lahat ito, magjo-join ako sa iyo. Masasali ako sa ginagawa mo. Alright? Ito po yung second type of people, those who wait for things to happen. And yung third naman po, ito yung those who wonders or wondered what happened. Ito yung, ano daw? Meron bang ganyan? Naku, wala akong kaalaman-alaman. Nangyayari pala yan. Ito po yung medyo out of touch. No? Hindi sila into these things. They're not, if we're talking of business, they're not into business. No? So, happy na po sila na pag-uwi nila. Diretso po yan sa computer. Bubuksan nila yung kanilang mga video games. No? Ano ba yung nilalaro ng wife ko? Yung mga bola-bola na yan. Alright, I remember that Farmville, Restaurant City or something. Ayan. Busy sila online, busy sila kaka-Facebook, like, check ng mga videos, mga ina-upload ng mga kaibigan. Pero hindi nila alam yung nangyayari on the other side where people are really doing business on the internet. No? So, tatlong klase po. So, tulad ng sinabi ko, this topic really is for those second type of people, the wait and see people. Yung, hintayin ko lang. Then I will do something if may makita na ako. Alright, I'd like to let you know that if you're the type of people, of course, there's nothing wrong with you. Okay? Because you want to be sure. Totoo po yun, ano? Wala naman po sigurong tao na gustong maaksidente. O walang taong gustong magkamali or walang taong gustong hindi maging successful yung gagawin niya. And you really want to see some things happening first. Alright? Pero again, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, the most successful people in this world are those who are number 1. Those who makes things happen. Okay? So, hindi ito nag-aantay. Hindi ito nag-aantay ng proof. Hindi ito nag-aantay ng may makita mo na siyang kumita o may makita mo na siyang ebidensya. They just make things happen. Sila yung dire-diretso, kilos ng kilos to. Okay? So, if you're on the number 2, those who wait for things to happen, believe me, hindi ito ako lang ang nagsasabi sa inyo kahit magsaliksik po kayo. Most likely, yung number 2 and definitely number 3, hindi po yan magiging very successful. Okay? Nilagay ko yung word na very. Probably, maging successful ka. Alright? Kasi, syempre, sigurado na yung pinasuka mo eh. Kaya ka nga pumasok, nakakita ka na ng proof, nakakita ka na ng ganito, ganyan, prueba. Okay? But again, hanggang dyan ka lang probably sa successful. Pero if you want to be very successful, you have to dial up, yun yung tinatawag natin. So you really have to change from wait and see type of a person to the action takers, yung those who makes things happen. No? And kahit saan nyo po saliksikin yan, believe me, it's really about taking action. It's really about making things happen. And isa nga po sa pinanghahawakan ko, and this is even on the scripture, on the book of life, believe and you will see. Alright, ito po ang pinanghahawakan ng lahat ng mga nasa number 1. And by the grace of God, no, isa po sa binigay sa aking regalo is the ability to be on number one, which is to make things happen. Go-getter po ako. Alright? And pinanghahawakan namin yan. Believe and you will see. Alright? Yung believe and you will see, wala pong proof yan. Hindi kami naghahanap ng pruweba. Hindi kami naghahanap ng ebidensya. Alright? Sa mga Bisaya. Alright? Wala. We create things. We create it. Hindi po kami nag-aantay na, pag pinadala mo na ako ng brochure, tsaka ako mag-join dyan, kailangan babasa ko muna. Sino ba yan? Sino ba to? No. We just take it, no? We based our decisions based on our yung intellect, kung ano yung aming naiisip, and based on our gut feel, yung aming nararamdaman. Okay? So, if you're on number 2, ito yung challenge ko sa'yo, or ito rin yung payo ko sa'yo, if you want to be very successful, dial up ka. Punta ka sa number 1. Huwag na yung antay-antay, because hindi mag-a-apply sa'yo yung believe and you will see. Ang gusto mo muna, I want to see, then I will believe. Di ba? Yun yun. And believe me, even the most successful people, tanungin nyo sila, kayo mismo mag-interview or magsaliksi kayo. Hindi sila to cease to believe. All of them, if not most, or most of them, if not all, I mean, believe and you will see. Alright? So if you want to be very successful, yun po masasabi ko. You just have to take action, believe, close your eyes, believe, and you will see. Okay, so sana po I'm making sense. Maraming salamat po. I'll see you again on the next video. Kiko Javier for Street Wisdom. God bless.